You can see in this microwave the buttons are not working properly. Some buttons are working, some buttons are not. So let's open it and see how we can fix it. The way that you open is remove these three screws here. Some screws here they are having, just remove them and just pull it like this. When you have pulled it like this, before opening the circuit board, just remove the power cable. Some screws are inside here, here and there. Just remove them and just pull it up and remove the circuitry. Most of the time what happens is either there will be problem with the breadboard or a problem with the push buttons that are placed in here. So what you do is, if you do not have any equipment to fix it in your home, just short circuit this button if there is a problem with the buttons in here. And if there is a problem with the IC or breadboard, you have to just completely change the IC, then place it here and it will work properly. For this one, so I don't have any ICs available with myself at home, or I cannot change this simply. What I will do is just fix the on and off buttons, and that's it. Like when you hear short circuit, these two buttons, see, they are working, and when you short circuit this button, it will turn on automatic. It will be turning on. As you can see, you just reset it to 0, and then this one, it will turn it on. What I will do is just place a push button between this one and this one. So when I push the button, it will turn on. And the others here in this board, the other push buttons, they are working properly. There is no problem with that. So let's do it. As you can see, after plugging the power supply, I've just placed a push button between this pin and this pin, and when I am going to turn it on, you can see that this is fixed just for a push button. Simply just this should be connected to this one for just switching on and off, and the problem is fixed. Thank you for watching my video.